Hello and welcome to this video from Berthon International of the 2016 Windy SR52 Blackbird GOSTA, which is offered for sale in Mallorca. The Windy SR52 Blackbird is a hugely capable, sleek, robust and fun chase boat built by the world-renowned team at Windy Boats in Västervik, Sweden. This exceptional example benefited from a notable refit between October 2021 and June 2022 and has benefited from first-class service and full-time crew. The yacht has been meticulously repainted in all grip extreme black, including the yacht's accessories such as the swimming ladder, FLIR camera, VHF antenna and radar. The specification of GOSTA includes full teak in the cockpit with grey caulking and on the upper side decks, which has been upgraded with a full height windscreen configuration which provides extra protection offshore together with the extended T-top roof. She has also been specified with a bow rider seat. GOSTA was upgraded during production with handrails in carbon fibre, which can be seen in the video, which complement the aft carbon supports to the extended T-top. The anchor system can be fully retracted and easily folds out into position. There is a 25 kg stainless delta anchor and 100 metres of upgraded chain. There is also a deck wash point fitted in the anchor well. The notable forward lazarette has been fitted out with shelves during production and offers plenty of space for storage of equipment, parts, materials and fenders. Here you can see the refinished T-top roof with non-slip and painted accessories. These include the new radar, new DPS antenna, FLIR night vision camera and searchlight. The exceptional helm position on the SR52 is second to none and offers 3 custom helm and co-pilot chairs with bolsters which fully drop when you prefer to stand. The 3 brand new glass cockpit screens integrate the yacht systems and are mounted on the repainted Nextel dashboard with carbon fibre inlays. These multi-function displays are linked to the radar, wind sensor, AIS and cameras mounted in the engine room and over the aft sunpad. Again, the full height windscreen provides excellent protection offshore. Further equipment includes the new bow thruster, control for the Humphreys interceptor system, joystick docking system and the searchlight control. The teak footrest can slide across the companionway entrance for additional comfort with the forward seat. There are removable side rails both to port and starboard, which together with all the other stainless fittings are in a glass beaten finish. The galley wet bar was also refinished as part of the refit and now offers a combination oven, microwave and grill. There is also a grate area where guests can stand when underway below the T-top, with plenty of handrails and custom backrests. There is also further storage below the sofa. The top stowing deck fridges offer notable chilled storage. The entire refrigeration system was changed during the refit, including new raw water pumps, compressors and evaporators. The Silvertex platter upholstery was also replaced during the refit and is finished to the highest standard. There is a refinished cockpit table with carbon supports and ice bucket. The lights in the hardtop roof were replaced as part of the refit, together with the cockpit courtesy lights. There are also additional handrails in the hardtop. There are also removable boarding poles fitted both to port and starboard, enclosing transom gates. Below the large aft sun pad there is an additional storage locker. And on the bathing platform you have showers fitted both to port and starboard. There is also a retracting bathing ladder, and there is a custom carbon fibre ensign pole. There are further top stowing lockers to port in the deck, and the sound system was renewed during the refit with all speakers replaced. The subwoofers were also tested and a replacement amplifier was fitted. The head unit is positioned at the helm position. GOSTA offers a double crew cabin and separate shower compartment with electric heads. The cabin can be converted with a dropping table and infill cushion. There is also a mounting station for an iPad, repeater for the navigation equipment, and air conditioning. The companionway area has been reconfigured with further use for storage, the yacht's paperwork and reconfigured companionway steps, which now easily fold forward to give access to the tech room, which is where the generator and other electrical equipment are installed. The heads compartment is finished in GRP with a teak shower tray. There are also covers for the cabin floors and the companionway steps. The engine room is accessed via an electric hatch raise. During the refit, the three IPS 600 engines were removed from the engine room, fully serviced and repainted at the Volvo Penta workshops. The alternators and starter motors were also serviced. The IPS units were also removed, fully serviced, with clutches replaced. While the engines were removed, the entire engine room was carefully repainted. With the 3x IPS 600 engines, the SR52 boasts a top speed of approximately 45 knots depending on conditions, and boasts a cruising range of over 600 nautical miles at a speed of 30 knots. She is easily managed with a joystick docking system and the additional DPS system, which allows the yacht to automatically hold her position and heading. Further upgrades include a new bow thruster, water maker, new lithium service batteries, start batteries, heavy load battery and generator battery. There was also a new master volt charger, converter and Victron charger for the heavy load battery. The hull of the yacht was also upgraded during production to make it even drier in rough weather conditions. The fender list was also replaced in 2019 by Windy Boats in Sweden, and the boat is also fitted with a towing eye. GOSTA is commercially registered and VAT paid. This exceptional example will impress on any inspection, and viewing is highly recommended. There is also a recent survey available.